Welcome. If you've ever wanted to quickly send one of your posts on X, formerly known as Twitter, directly to someone using your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest update, sharing your posts via direct message is easier than ever. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can start connecting and sharing in just a few clicks. First, open your favorite web browser and head over to x.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the main page, look to the left side menu and click on your profile icon. This will take you straight to your profile, where all your posts are displayed. Now, scroll through your posts and find the one you want to share. Underneath your chosen post, you'll see a row of icons. Click on the share icon. It looks like an arrow pointing upward or out of a box. This is your gateway to sharing your content in different ways. A menu will pop up with several options. From here, select Send via direct message. This feature allows you to send your post privately to one or more users on X. After clicking, a new window will appear where you can search for and select the recipients. You can add as many people as you'd like, making it perfect for group sharing or private conversations. Before you send, you have the option to write a comment. This is your chance to add context, a personal note, or any extra information you want your recipients to see alongside the post. Once you're happy with your message, simply click the Send button, and that's it. Your post is now on its way directly to the people you've chosen, all without leaving your browser. This new update makes sharing content on X fast, private, and incredibly convenient. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more up-to-date tutorials on X and other social media platforms. See you next time.